Hello, let's make bowling pins with toilet rolls and newspaper. You can use any of the recyclable items that you can find from home as the bowling pins, such as the toilet rolls or paper cups, yogurt cups. Prepare a piece of newspaper as a bowling ball and some cloth materials to decorate your bowling pins. Then you roll the newspaper into a ball and then tape it with a masking tape. Get your child to rearrange the rolling pins any way they want. Then you can start playing bowling with your child. Yay! Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Get your child to name the colors or count the rolling pins.